The best PC airflow cases are the ones that allow for a high volume of cool air to be sucked into the case and released out. This is achieved by having a large number of fans in strategically placed areas, such as on top or on the sides. The more fans you have, and the greater their individual power output, will increase your airflow efficiency. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best airflow PC cases. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Mustex Mesh Micro ATX Case. The case comes pre-installed with a large front panel metal mesh and 5 120mm Mustex ARG fans. This will provide excellent lighting and airflow, and keep it cool. This case is the largest of all micro cases. It measures 230mm in width. However, the GPU is still 38mm away from the front panel glass panel after installing vertical graphics cards. This will help keep your system cool. The button control features 19 lighting modes. It is connected to the 5v3 pin header on the motherboard. This allows unlimited ARGB fans modes. The 4mm tempered door opening design with mesh front panel makes it simple to disassemble and install accessories. It also allows maximum airflow for cooling your power supply. The case comes with 2 pieces of dust filters. One is the magnetic strip dust filter that protects the case, while the other is the PSU dust filter that is easy to clean and install. Here is the item number 4, Fractal Design Meshify C. The open layout, which is both compact and spacious, allows for unrestricted airflow from the front intakes through key components to the exhaust. This ensures that heat is not an issue. You can conceal up to 5 storage devices by using an adjustable, removable drive cage underneath the PSU shroud and dedicated SSD mounts behind it. Even the most powerful enthusiast-class GPUs have plenty of space for thick triple fan RADs. You can move or remove the adjustable drive cage to accommodate even the longest heavy-duty PSUs. A fully ventilated steel power supply shroud conceals drives and cables, to allow for unimpeded airflow from the front intake to the rear exhaust. For reliable, quiet operation, sturdy steel trays and vibration-dampening rubber grommets provide protection for your drives. The front, top, and base filters are easy to clean and provide full PSU coverage. They also have convenient front access. The item number 3, Cooler Master Mastercase H500 ARGB. The Mastercase H500 ARGB includes both the transparent and meshed front panels. This allows you to choose between aesthetics and maximum airflow. Each front panel option complements the Mastercase H500 ARGB's industrial design in its own way. An ARGB controller and splitter are included with the 2 200mm ARGB fans. You can control the lighting system using the reset switch. This allows you to change between color and mode. There are options for a maximum of a 410mm GPU and a maximum of a CPU cooler. A 360mm radiator is also available. This allows for future upgrades. The top panel has a handle built-in for easy transport and utility. A panoramic view is provided through a tempered glass side panel that shows gaming hardware, custom loop cooling, and the pride of the builder. Number 2 on our list, Corsair ICUE220T. Corsair's ICUE220T RGB is an ATX smart case that features a steel grille panel front panel. It provides incredible airflow. Create stunning lighting with the included SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs and can be controlled by Corsair's ICUE software. To showcase your components, the durable solid steel case comes with a frameless tempered glass side panel. The full-length PSU covers provide protection and flexible storage options for 4 drives. There is also space for 6 fans, 3 radiators, and removable dust filters. The top one in our list, Corsair 4000D. Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX box with exceptional cooling and cable management. The front panel is made of steel and allows for optimal airflow. 2 120mm air guide fans are included with anti-vortex vanes to increase cooling. Corsair RapidRoute cable management makes routing major cables easy and allows for 25mm of routing depth. You can display your GPU while keeping it safe with the included vertical PCIe slots and screw mounts for a Corsair PCI Express 3.0 extension cable. 2 Corsair 120mm air guide fans are included. They use anti-vortex vanes that concentrate airflow and increase cooling. Easy slide-on, the slide-off attachment allows you to display your high-profile RGB lighting and components. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best airflow PC cases amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.